Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA to improve customer satisfaction. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, improving customer satisfaction through Amazon FBA is a key aspect of building a successful business on Amazon. The FBA program allows you to leverage Amazon's vast fulfillment network, ensuring that your customers receive their orders quickly and efficiently. First, by using FBA, you automatically qualify for Amazon Prime, which means your products are eligible for free 2-day shipping. This fast delivery option significantly enhances the customer experience, as shoppers love the convenience of getting their products quickly. Next, Amazon's FBA program takes care of customer service and returns on your behalf. This means that customers can contact Amazon directly with any issues, and Amazon's trained customer service team will handle the inquiries. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your customers receive consistent professional support. FBA also offers multi-channel fulfillment, meaning you can use Amazon's fulfillment centers to ship products sold on other platforms, like your website or other e-commerce stores. This helps provide a uniform and reliable shipping experience, regardless of where your customers make their purchases. Lastly, FBA's advanced inventory management tools help you keep your products in stock and avoid potential stockouts, which can frustrate customers. By monitoring your inventory levels and replenishing stock in a timely manner, you ensure that your products are always available for purchase. By leveraging the FBA program effectively, you can significantly improve customer satisfaction, leading to more positive reviews, repeat purchases, and long-term success. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.